Hello kids, do you love getting wet in the rainwater? I love getting wet as well. Are you interested in learning about how rainfall happens? So this is a science model which will explain how water cycle happens. So water cycle means how the water is transformed from one state to another in our atmosphere. So the process which happens first is evaporation. So water from the ground level or water from the trees. You know that when there are lots of trees, we get good oxygen and it's also good for rainfall. So this water from the ground rises up to the atmosphere through the process of evaporation, and from the trees to the process of transpiration because of the rays of the sun. Because of sunlight, water gets evaporated and the water particles will rise up. Now all the water particles will rise up, will combine together to they all come together to form clouds. You see, these are all the clouds which are nothing but droplets of water or ice. Now eventually what happens is, when there are lots of water particles in these clouds, they fall back to the earth through the process. This process is called as precipitation. Precipitation is nothing but rainfall. So from the vapor state, when too many droplets of water forms in the clouds and it gets very heavy, it lets it all out into the back to the surface of the earth. This is called as precipitation, which is a rainfall which we enjoy. This water will come fall into the ground, and sometimes it goes deep into the ground and it forms aquifers and marine ecosystems as groundwater. Sometimes the water will just get collected as runoffs, or here it may again flow back as and join other streams or rivers. This is called as runoff. So this is the whole cycle, water cycle, which means how water changes from one state to another in below the surface of the earth and above the surface of the earth in the atmosphere.